In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging social media posts using Microsoft Designer in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the entire process, so whether you're looking to craft a striking Instagram post, an eye-catching Facebook ad, or a captivating LinkedIn update, you'll be equipped to get started right away. First, open up your web browser and search for Microsoft Designer. This tool is a versatile platform that lets you create professional-looking designs with ease. Once you've found the relevant web page, head to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you haven't already. This step is crucial, as it allows you to save your designs and access them across different devices. After signing in, use the main search bar at the top to look for the option called Designed from Scratch. This will direct you to a list of various social media templates. Here, you'll see options tailored for different platforms, such as an Instagram Square post, a Facebook ad, a LinkedIn post, and more. Choose the format that best fits your needs. For instance, the Instagram Square is perfect for posts focusing on images and concise messaging. Select your desired template to open up a new canvas. This is where the magic happens. You can now start creating your social media post. At this stage, you have a few options. You can either use one of the pre-designed templates that come with Microsoft Designer, which can speed up your process significantly, or opt to create your design from scratch for a more personalized touch. To enhance your post, use the Add Image option to upload photos directly from your device. Having your own images can make your campaign feel more authentic and relatable. Simply drag and drop the desired images into your canvas. You can then click on any element, like text, to modify its color or font style using the editing options. This is a great way to ensure your text stands out and aligns with your brand's visual identity. Need to refine your visuals further? You can easily resize images by dragging the bottom right corner, allowing you to adjust them to fit perfectly within your design. Additionally, the crop tool is handy for removing any unwanted parts of an image, keeping the focus precisely where you want it. Once you are satisfied with your post, it's time for the final step: downloading your design. Make sure everything looks just right, and then download the final image to your device. It's now ready to be shared across your social media platforms, helping you connect and communicate with your audience more effectively. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create social media posts using Microsoft Designer. Don't forget to experiment with different elements and styles to truly make each post your own. Happy designing!